Aya bus, guys, ngiya muri ya Cartel Vibes all the way from Jamaica guys, superstar akaba yararekuwe guys ku itariki 8 z'ukwezi kwa kangahe, z'ukwezi kwa munani guys. If you are proud for him, sha dufite abafana be guys, Vibes Cartel ba Jay-Z, ba Lil Wayne, even na hano mu Rwanda ba Rock Kimomo cyangwa big fans of that man guys. Akaba yarekuwe ewan, abafana be yahise atangaza ko agiye gutembera Afurika guys, you are blessed. Ni icyamamare ngabo ba Rock Kimomo bari very happy, dore ya masinye yo muri Jamaica guys, you see Jamaican sign ewan, now even Tupac yari big fan we guys. Kuba niba ushaka kubana nanjye kugeza iyi nkuru irangiye, ibihugu azatemberamo muri Afurika, kora subscribe kugira ngo uzamenye aya makuru guys. Amakuru ashyushye n'uko yarimo n'u Rwanda, it's a secret. Ndabarabuye guys. Cartel Vibes, ibuka gukora subscribe kugira ngo ejo utazacikwa. Ciao.